Did you know that one of the biggest hidden dangers for people with kidney problems is excess acid in the blood? Doctors call this condition metabolic acidosis, and it slowly wears down your kidneys. It also weakens your bones and drains your energy levels. But here's the good news. You don't need pills, expensive treatments, or complicated therapies to fight back. The answer is often right in front of you, in the foods you eat every single day. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 powerful alkaline-forming superfoods. These foods will help cleanse your kidneys from dangerous acidity, protect you from inflammation, and give your body more energy. Some of these foods may already be in your kitchen. Others might surprise you. They include everyday staples you may have overlooked and hidden gems that are proven to support kidney health. So stick with me until the end of this video. By the time we finish, you'll have a clear list of foods that can make a real difference in your health and daily energy. Hello and welcome. This is Marcus from Human Body Wellness. We're focused on helping you improve your kidney health with safe, natural strategies. Let's get started. Number 7, tofu. Tofu is one of the best foods you can add to a kidney-friendly diet, especially if you want a safe alternative to meat. Here's the problem. Meat, poultry, and most other animal proteins are acid-forming foods. When you eat them, they leave behind acidic byproducts. Your kidneys must filter out those acids, and that adds a heavy burden. Tofu changes the story. It has a PRAL score of just 0.8, which makes it slightly alkaline. But the real benefit comes when tofu replaces meat in your diet. You're not just adding a gentle food, you're removing one of the most acid-forming foods at the same time. Nutritionally, tofu is rich in calcium for bones and iron to fight fatigue. It's naturally low in potassium and phosphorus, 2 minerals that can build up dangerously in kidney patients. This makes tofu a uniquely safe protein choice. Research shows soy protein may even reduce proteinuria, a leakage of protein into urine that often happens with kidney disease, and it's delicious when prepared well. You can grill it, bake it, stir-fry it, or even scramble it. Marinated in herbs and spices, and tofu absorbs flavor beautifully. Tip: go for non-GMO tofu whenever possible. Number 6, almonds. Almonds are one of the very few nuts that can actually make your body more alkaline. Most nuts, like walnuts or cashews, are acid-forming, but almonds are the exception. On the PRAL system, almonds score around 2.1. That means they put far less stress on the kidneys compared to other nuts. But here's what makes almonds powerful. They're packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that protect your heart. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and improve circulation. That's especially important because kidney patients have a higher risk of heart disease. Almonds are also famous for helping with weight control. They keep you full, reduce unhealthy cravings, and even support weight loss in moderation. Another star nutrient in almonds is magnesium. Almost 70% of adults don't get enough magnesium. This deficiency contributes to high blood pressure, one of the leading causes of kidney damage. The best way to eat almonds is raw or lightly roasted. Avoid salted or candied almonds, which can cancel out the benefits. A small handful, about 20 almonds a day, is a safe, healthy amount. You can also use almond flour for baking, almond butter on toast, or sprinkle sliced almonds over salads. Number 5, papaya. Papaya is one of the most underrated tropical fruits for kidney health. It's delicious, refreshing, and surprisingly gentle on your kidneys. Papaya contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down proteins and improve digestion. This is especially helpful for kidney patients who often deal with digestive issues due to medications. Papayas are rich in carotenoids and lycopene, powerful antioxidants. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, protect your heart, and may even slow kidney damage. Here's another benefit. Unlike many tropical fruits, papaya is low in potassium. One large slice, 100 grams, has only about 180 milligrams of potassium, less than an apple. This makes papaya one of the safest fruits for kidney patients. Even the seeds are edible. They've been studied for antibacterial and antiparasitic properties, and some cultures use them as a natural stomach remedy. You can eat papaya fresh, blend it into smoothies, or toss it into fruit salads. It also pairs beautifully with a squeeze of lime juice. On the PRAL scale, papaya scores 3.2, making it an alkaline-forming fruit that reduces acid buildup. Number 4, red radish. Radishes are small, colorful vegetables, but don't let their size fool you. They're one of the most kidney-friendly foods you can eat. On the Peral system, radishes score 3.7, making them strongly alkaline. That means they actively help neutralize excess acid in your body. Radishes also act as a natural diuretic. They help your body flush out extra water and waste through urine. This eases the burden on your kidneys and may relieve swelling or water retention. They're also packed with sulfur compounds, which give them their spicy flavor. These compounds detoxify the liver and kidneys together. Nutritionally, radishes are low in calories but high in vitamin C, which boosts immunity. They're also low in potassium, just 135 milligrams per half cup. That makes them a guilt-free choice for kidney patients. The best way to eat radishes is raw. Slice them into salads, layer them on sandwiches, or grate them into slaws. You can also eat the radish greens. Sauté them with garlic for an extra alkaline boost. Number 3, carrots. Carrots are more than just good for your eyes. They're also a powerful kidney-supporting vegetable. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, the plant form of vitamin A. This helps the kidneys filter toxins and reduces inflammation. Another nutrient in carrots is pectin, a type of fiber. Pectin lowers cholesterol, improves digestion, and has even been shown in some studies to reduce creatinine levels. Carrots are also rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin K, and B vitamins. These nutrients fight free radicals that accelerate kidney damage. On the Peral scale, carrots score 4.9, making them strongly alkaline. A medium carrot has about 200 milligrams of potassium, a moderate amount. This means carrots are healthy, but advanced kidney patients should enjoy them in moderation. There are many ways to add carrots to your meals. Snack on them raw, roast them with olive oil, or blend them into soups. Carrot juice is another option. Just keep the portion moderate. Number 2, turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a spice. It's a natural medicine that's been used for thousands of years. The active compound is curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories. Since inflammation is one of the main drivers of kidney damage, turmeric is a true kidney protector. Turmeric also has a Peral score of 6.5, making it strongly alkaline forming. The best way to use turmeric is fresh root, peeled and grated. Add it to rice, soups, curries, or even smoothies. If fresh isn't available, dried turmeric powder is also excellent. Here's the key tip. Always pair turmeric with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Turmeric doesn't just protect your kidneys, it also supports your liver, immune system, and joints. It has been studied for reducing arthritis pain and even lowering the risk of certain cancers. Number 1, arugula. Arugula, also called wild rocket, may look like a simple salad green, but for kidney patients, it's one of the best greens you can eat. Why? Potassium. Spinach and kale are healthy but high in potassium. Arugula has only 105 milligrams per half cup, much safer for kidneys. It's also incredibly alkaline, with a Peral score of 7.9. That's one of the highest scores of any vegetable. Arugula is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and calcium. It also contains glucosinolates, compounds with cancer-fighting potential. Flavor is another bonus. Arugula has a natural peppery taste that makes salads exciting without heavy dressings. You can also toss it onto pizzas after baking or blend it into smoothies. Because it's low potassium, high nutrient, and strongly alkaline, arugula is one of the safest and most beneficial greens for kidney health. Now you've seen the top 7 alkaline-forming superfoods for kidney health. Let's quickly review. Tofu, almonds, papaya, radish, carrots, turmeric, arugula. Remember, not all acidic-tasting foods are acid-forming. For example, lemons taste sour, but actually leave an alkaline effect in your body. Here are a few bonus tips. Start your mornings with lemon water. Use fresh herbs like parsley, basil, and ginger to flavor food instead of excess salt. Add more greens to every meal. They all reduce acid load and protect your kidneys. The key is progress, not perfection. You don't need to change everything overnight. Start by swapping one meal a day with an alkaline-friendly choice. Replace meat with tofu. Snack on almonds instead of chips. Add papaya for dessert. Over time, these small changes add up and give your kidneys the relief they need. Which of these superfoods do you already eat? And which one are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.